What's up with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode I will teach you how to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. So let's do it. So first, open your Instagram, go to your message and pick any chat you want. So I'm going to pick this, and to turn on the vanish mode I just need to swipe up my screen. So as you can see right there, it turns on the vanish mode. So that's it. And if I want to turn it up, and I just need to swipe up again. So another way that you can do is by clicking their nickname up there. So after you click that, a vanish mode option can be seen. So if you want to do it, tap that and it will turn on the vanish mode. And if you want to turn it off again, just tap it again and it will turn off the vanish modes. And that's it. That's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.